are phytonutrients and where do I get them? Why do I need them? And everything phytonutrient today. Hi guys, welcome back. So what are phytonutrients? And that's spelled with a P-H-Y-T-O, okay? Phytonutrients. These are the ingredients that we talk about in vegetables, in fruits, that we really encourage you to eat these foods for, okay? They are those magical, healing, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant ingredient inside of fruits and vegetables that we are really after, okay? So when I'm telling you eat fruits and vegetables, what I'm really trying to say is get them phytonutrients, okay? So phytonutrients come in a variety, okay? We cannot name them all. But just so we touch on a few so that you can, at least when you hear them or see them written on something, you're like, that's right, that's what Dr. O was talking about, okay? So phytonutrients, let's talk about maybe a handful of them. I'll say maybe 8 or so, I don't know, it might be 9, okay? So beta carotene, I know you've probably heard that one. It is from that orange family of vegetables and fruits, okay? So when you go to the grocery store, okay, if you want to get a ton of phytonutrients in you, you do not want to be shopping in the middle of the aisle. You're not going to get it, right? Because why? Phytonutrients are not in those packaged foods. They are in fresh fruits and vegetables. They are those things that are like chlorophyll for the plant, right? They release when the food is fresh. And you get them best that way, okay? So you're not gonna get them from packaged food. So don't go in with two in the aisle looking for phytonutrients. You're looking for on the periphery of the grocery store where all the fresh meats, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits are laid out. That's where you're gonna find it. So what your goal is to get phytonutrients in your body is on a daily basis, you want to have that colorful plate. When I say colorful, meaning like, you got your orange in there, your red in there, your purple in there, your black in there, your green in there. Like your plate should look like a rainbow, okay? When your plate looks like a rainbow, you are getting the phytonutrients, okay? Not from fake coloring, okay? Because my son is gonna be like, oh, the cake toppings count? No. Phytonutrients are from fresh fruits and vegetables, okay? So beta carotene comes from that orange color of fruits and vegetables. So things like carrots, sweet potatoes, those are gonna give you those, okay? They all are anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. So as I name them, just think, oh my God, I'm healing all of the swelling in my body, I'm detoxing, I'm binding those free radicals that cause cancer. That's what you're getting from those vegetables. Then the other one I like to look at is quercetin, right? That one is found in apples and onions, and by adding those to your meals, you're going to get the quercetin. Very good for, colds, very good for your immune system, and so on. Then we have lycopene. So lycopene we usually find in things like tomatoes and watermelon, so kind of like your, I guess, reddish type vegetables and fruits. So you're gonna get the lycopene from that. Again, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant in nature. And then we have the ones we call flavonoids, okay? Meaning flavonoids, okay? Flavonoids come from the citrus family of fruits. And you will find this in oranges and lemons and things like that. So again, a lot of you know when we're doing detox, we like to add a little lemon to our detox water in the mornings and so on. So those are the reasons why we do that, because they detoxify us, they help us with inflammation and so on. Next one is called sulforaphanes. Sulforaphanes are things that we find in the cruciferous family of vegetables, like the greens, really dark greens, the broccolis and the Brussels sprouts and your cabbages, so those are going to give you the sulforaphanes. And then we'll go into some other phytonutrients are resveratrol, okay? So resveratrol is actually pretty cool. In fact, a lot of doctors in the cardiovascular treatments, like, your heart doctors, They love resveratrol. In fact, they encourage you to drink a glass of red wine to try to get it from that. So that comes from the red grapes, and it is very healing for the heart and the blood vessels. So don't overdo it though, especially if you're getting it from red wine instead of from grapes, okay? So a glass every now and then, okay, it's okay, but we want to get it from the fruits itself, the natural form, where it's not been processed, so you get the fiber with it, you get the, all of those nutrients with it. The next one is called capsaicin, and capsaicin is usually found in spicy things like red peppers, your black pepper and so on. Those are very good. They're anti-inflammatory, they fight infections and so on. That's why, some people will drink spicy hot soup when they're cold and stuff like that to get those in there. Then we have curcumin. A lot of people know curcumin from turmeric. The turmeric root, that really yellow, deep yellow color, okay? It's very, very good. It's an anti-inflammatory. In fact, I've treated patients' pain using just turmeric. I just gave high dose of turmeric in its active form with a little black pepper, and we use that to treat their joint pain, arthritic pain. You're not gonna believe it. Try it and tell me how it works for you, okay? So you're gonna eat that in its native form, fresh, as good as you can get it, not the spice that's been sitting there forever. You want the fresh root, and you're gonna get it from that. You can, put a little bit of it on your salad or in a soup that you're making to try to get it from that. And then a lot of you know berries are very anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, but those are called I believe is anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are found in berries, right? Different colors of berries. They do give you those anti-inflammatory effects, antioxidant, great for your skin, great for healing the body from autoimmune diseases and so on. So if you see us doing like a detox and I'm asking you to put berries in there, that's what I'm looking for. And so hopefully that helps you. That's what phytonutrients are. So when next time someone mentions that, you're like, yeah, I know what that is. Yeah, I eat that every day. All on my plate. All right, see you guys.